Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to customize our WordPress so we can protect our website from hackers and malicious attempts. So we will use a plugin and we will also use core editing. So let's just go to cPanel, as I have already logged into cPanel. Now navigate to File Manager and open a tab. Okay, the first thing that you need to delete is that readme.html. It will install in your WordPress directory at the time you install WordPress. So if you visit this file path, reviewsanddeals.com / and readme.html. So select the file and delete. Okay. Now the next thing is to go to your wp-config.php. This is the file. We need to secure this file because it contains all the credentials of our website, like database name, database password, and every other thing. So we need to secure this thing. So just click on it and click this file, right click and click this edit option, choose the edit option. Okay, now click this edit button here. Okay, now we need to assign a salted hash for all these keys, like the authentication key, the secure authentication key, logged in key, and some other keys. So you can put a random string here, and if you don't know what to put, you can visit to this link, this one. Just copy this link till the salt and open it up in a browser. Okay, so WordPress API will automatically generate a unique random hash key for you. So all you need to do is just copy this whole code here, copy and paste it here, paste. Okay, now the next thing is to at the bottom of these hash keys, you can see that there is a WordPress table prefix. So if in your case you see nothing here, like you see a blank space after the underscore, you can put any random alphanumeric character here, no special character, and after that click Save Changes. Okay, so the next thing is to install a plugin. No. Now we need to stop the directory browsing. Like our directory WP includes is, anyone can see this directory. Let me show you how. If you visit review and deals / WP contents and press enter, you can see all the files of our website. What? No, not in contents, in include. See, there are all the files of our website, so we need to stop anyone to see our website file. So all you need to do is close this thing, create a new text document, open it up and save as, and save this file as. Make sure that save as type, you choose on the save as type all files and put here index.html and save it. So a blank index file will be created. Now we need to upload this file in our includes. Upload, browse, open. Okay, completed. Let's go again and go to the same location. Now we are getting a blank page because this URL here is redirected to the blank index.php. So now no one can browse our directories of our website. Okay, the next thing is to go back, and now we need to secure our Okay, season expired. Okay, now the next thing is to install a plugin to check what are the things that we need to configure. But before we install a plugin, I would like you to paste some code to secure the HUD access file and a WP config. So go to the SEO section and click this edit files. And this is our HUD access file. All you need to do is just copy this code here, paste, and then copy this code here. This code will disallow to access WP configuration without authentication, as well as for the HUD access file. So we are securing our WP configuration and the HUD access file itself. Click Save Changes. Okay. Now we are going to install a plugin, WP Better Security. The name of the plugin is WP Better Security. No, it's Better WP Security. Okay. Copy the name, go to your plugins, add new. Okay, so the plugin is installed. Let's activate this plugin. Alright, let me close this thing and log out from our cPanel. Okay, now you can see that there is a new tab of security. Click on it, and in the last video we already created the database backup, so there is no need to create a new database. So click no thanks, I already have a backup. Now click this red button here, secure my site from basic attack, and it will tell you what things you need to improve. Okay, now there are 4 colors. The color in green are good job. Now there are 21 things that we need to fix, but the lines which are in green color are good. The items which are in orange are it's all up to you. If you want them to configure them, and if you don't, they are good enough. But the items that are in red, that we need to secure immediately. Okay, so we have one thing, that is your installation is not actively looking for a changed file. So all you need to do is just click this click this fix here, and it will do the rest of the thing. Okay, click this box and save the settings. Okay, now this line is in green. Your installation is actively looking for changed URLs. The rest of the settings are good enough, so by this way you can protect your website. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.